In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line of best fit, or what is often referred to as a standard curve in Google Sheets. We'll walk through each step methodically so that by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to accomplish this task on your own. Let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have one already open, simply go to your browser and navigate to Google Sheets. If it's your first time, you'll start with a blank sheet, which is perfect for this demonstration. The first thing we need to do is highlight the data you want to analyze. For this example, let's select the cells from A1 to C10. You'll want to click and drag your mouse from cell A1 to cover all the cells up to C10. Make sure all the relevant data points you want to chart are included in this selection. Once your cells are highlighted, it's time to navigate over to the toolbar. Next, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click on Insert. This drop-down menu allows you to add various elements to your spreadsheet, and it's essential for our next step. Within this menu, locate and click on Chart. Doing so will automatically insert a default chart into your sheet, usually based on the type of data you've selected. However, we want to create a scatter chart, which is the best option for plotting individual data points, as it allows us to spot trends easily. To change the chart type, look at the chart editor that appears on the right side of your screen. Under the Setup tab, find the Chart Type section and select Scatter Chart from the options. A scatter chart helps visually establish a connection between the data sets by plotting individual points based on your data. With the scatter chart set, click on the Series option in the chart editor. This step is crucial because it lets you adjust the data being visualized in the chart. If there's more than one series, you may need to remove unnecessary ones. For example, if there's a series labeled Speed 1 that you don't need for this trend line, simply select it and choose Remove. Once you're satisfied with the active series, direct your attention back to the chart editor and click on Series once more to delve deeper into options available. Scroll down in this menu until you find Trendline. Selecting Trendline adds a line of best fit to your chart, visually showing any trends within your dataset. This line is calculated based on the least squares method, offering a mathematical foundation for assessing relationships. That's it. You now have a perfectly mapped line of best fit or standard curve in Google Sheets to help analyze your data. By following these steps, you can easily visualize and interpret data trends. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, understanding and creating trend lines is a valuable skill when working with data in spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore further options within Google Sheets to continue improving your data analysis skills.